Welcome to Balasu's YouTube channel. Before seeing the video, subscribe my YouTube channel, like the video and press the bell icon. Today we'll study for class 5 chapter 3 addition and subtraction part 3 and we will learn mixed example.
Welcome students. So in part 1 video you have studied about the addition. In part 2 video you studied about how to subtract a number. But in part 3 video you will be studying the mixed example. In mixed example both addition and subtractions are there. Now let us see the first sum. 4,13,758 plus 2,09,552 minus 5,16,304. So first we should add this number, then whatever answer you get from this addition you subtract it. Let's start the first method. 4 1 3 7 5 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 digit number. 1 2 3 4 5 6 digit number. So 2 0 9 5 42. Add 5 plus 2 10. 5 plus 1 6. 6 plus 4 10. 7 plus 1 8. 8 plus 5 13. 1 carry. 9 plus 1 10. 10 plus 3 13. Again 3. 1 carry. 1 plus 1 2. 2 plus 0 2. 4 plus 2 6. Now this is the number which you got from addition. Now this number you have to subtract it. So I'll write this number over here. 6 2 3 3 0 0 minus 5 1 6 3 0 4. Let us subtract. 0 will not go in 4, so you have to borrow from here, but already here 0 is there. You have to borrow from here. Again I'll borrow 1, so it becomes 2. This becomes 10. Now 1 I borrow from here and this becomes 9 and this will become 10. Once again from 3 I removed 1, it becomes 2. So 1 I borrowed here, already 0 is there, it becomes 10. Then from this 10 I borrowed and passed on to the next. That means this borrowed from here, so this becomes 9. 10 minus 1 is 9 and that 1 goes here, this becomes 10. So 2 will not go in 3. So again I have to borrow from here. This will become 2 and this will become 12. So 2 will not go in 6. Again I have to borrow from here. This will become 1 and this will become 12. Okay. Now 10 minus 4, 6. 9 minus 0, 9. 12 minus 3, 9. 12 minus 6, 6. 1 minus 1, 0. 6 minus 5, 1. So this is your answer for the mixed example. First you have to add, then you have to subtract. Now let's do the second sum. Our second sum is, first we have done the addition, then we have done the subtraction. Now we'll do first subtraction, then addition. 34 5 6 7 8 minus 1 6 2 0 5 4 plus 6 0 0 1 2 7. Just see the sum. These two numbers we have to first subtract. Whatever answer you get, you have to add from this number. This is called as mixed example, where addition and subtraction both are included. So first I'll do the subtraction method. 3 4 5 6 7 8 minus 1, 6, 2, 0, 5, 4. 8 minus 4, 4. 7 minus 5, 2. 6 minus 0, 6. 5 minus 2, 3. 4 minus 6, no, 4 will not go in 6. So, borrow from here. Already 3 is there. 2, 1 minus. Then, borrowed here becomes 14. 14 minus 6, that is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That becomes 8. 2 minus 1, 1. So this answer you have to add from this number. So I'll write this number here. 1, 8, 3, 6, 2, 4. This number I copied here plus the last number 1 to 7. You have to add it. 4 plus 7 is 11. 1 carry. 2 plus 2 4. Plus 1 5. 6 plus 1 7. 3 plus 0 3. 8 plus 0 8. 1 plus 6 7. So in this way you have to do the mixed example. I think you understood how to solve the mixed example. Now we will try to solve the problem set 13. I'll do the first sum, but before that you have to read the question first. So let us discuss the question. I think you can see the questions clearly. The forest department planted 23,078 trees of khair, 19,000 of 476 of behada, besides trees of several other kinds. Now forest department planted both these trees. One is a khair tree, another is a behada tree. If the department planted 50,000 trees altogether, how many trees were neither of khair nor of behada? So here in this sum, department planted total 50,000 in all. In that 50,000, 23,078 trees are khair, 19,476 are behada, and the remaining we have to find how many remaining trees are there which is neither khair nor behada. That means this is our total. First we have to add these two numbers. Whatever answers we get, we have to subtract that answer from this 50,000. So first let us add these two numbers, then we subtract from 50,000. So I'll write 23,078. This is of khair tree. 19,476 are behada tree. So let's add the total number of trees here. 8 plus 6, 14, 1 carry. 7 plus 7, 14, plus 1, 15, 1 carry. 1 plus 4, 5, plus 1, plus 0 is 5. 9 plus 3 is 12, 1 carry. 2 plus 1, 3, plus 1, 4. So these are the khair tree plus behada tree. Now the department had planted 50,000 trees. I'll write here. Department had planted 50,000 trees. This is department planted. From this 50,000, 42,554 were khair and behada tree. 42,554 were khair tree and behada tree. So what is the remaining number of, what is the other trees? So we have to subtract here. 0 will not go in 4, 0 will not go in 5, 0 will not go in 5, 0 will not go in 2. So we have to carry from here. So let us carry one by one. From 5 I carry 1, it becomes 4. This becomes 10. So 1 I carry here, 10 minus 1, 9. This also becomes 10. 1 I carry here, 9. This also becomes 10. But 1 I am carrying there, it becomes 9. And this becomes 10. 10 minus 4, 6. 9 minus 5, 7, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9. It becomes 4. 9 minus 5, 4. 9 minus 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It is 7. 4 minus 4, 0. So these are the remaining trees. So 7,446. Now just see our question. How many trees were neither of Khair nor of Behada? So 7,446 trees were neither Khair tree nor Behada trees. So I hope you understood how to do the sums. In this sum you have to make into two parts. This is the first part, this is the second part. You have to make it into two parts. But before that we have to understand the sums which you have to subtract and which you have to add. So let's do the second sum from this problem set 13. A city has a population of 37,04,926. This is the total population. Now in this population, it includes 11,24,069 men, 10,96,478 are women. So when we add both this, we will get the number of men and number of women. But even children are there. So when we add the children, you get this total number. But here number of children are not given. So we want to find the number of children. So let us find. First what you have to do, let us do one thing. There are two ways to solve the method. Either you add this and subtract this, or subtract this by this, total population by men, and whatever you answer you get, subtract this by this number, total by men, you will get it. So any method you can do it. So I'll do the first method. (37,04,926). These are the total population. From this population, 11,24,069 are men. Let me subtract it and remove this men from the population. 6 minus 9, this will not go. I have to borrow from here. Here also I have to borrow from here. So this will become 8, this will become 12. I borrow, this will become 11, and this will become 16. 4 minus 4, it goes. 0 will not go in 2. So I borrow from here. This will become 10. So everything it goes. 16 minus 9 is 7. 11 minus 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So it is 5. 8 minus 0 is 8. 4 minus 4, 0. 10 minus 2, 8. 6 minus 1, 5. 3 minus 2, 3 minus 1, 2. So this is the remaining. So this number I have to again subtract it. So let me subtract it here separately. 25,80,857 is the total. In that, number of women given is 10,96,478. Again I have to subtract this. 7 minus 8 will not go. 5 minus 6 will not go. 8 minus 4, yes it goes. So I remove 1, 7. This becomes 15. From the 15, I transferred 1 here, it becomes 17. 0 minus 6, it will not go. So this will become 7 and this will become 10. 7 will not go in 9. So I have to borrow from here. So this will become 17. Okay. 17 minus 8. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. This becomes 9. 14 minus 7. 7. 7 minus 4. 5, 6, 7. That is 3. 10 minus 6. 4. 17 minus 9 is 8. 4 minus 0. 4. 2 minus 1 is 1. So this is the number left. That means the total number of children living is 14,84,379. So we can do it in other method. I'll do it in the rough method. Men and women 11, 24. This is the second method I am doing. 0, 6, 9. These are the men. Women 10, 96, 478. The woman. I'll add first 9 plus 8. 9 plus 8, 17. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 7, 14. 1 carry. 4 plus 1, 5. 4 plus 6, 10. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 1 plus 1, 2. 2. So 22,20,547 are men plus women. Now total city population is 37,04,926. From this, total number of men and women will subtract. Six minus 7. 6 will not go in 7. 2 will not go in 4. 9 will go in 5. So I'll take 1. This will become 12. 1 carry over here. Then again I remove this. From 12 it becomes 11. This will become 16. 4 minus 0 it goes. 0 will not go in 2. So I'll carry here 6. This will become 10. Okay. So 16 minus 7. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So it comes 9. 11 minus 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 7. 8 minus 5 is 3. 4 minus 0 is 4. 10 minus 2 is 8. 6 minus 2 is 4. 3 minus 1, 4. You can tally this first method and this method. These are the numbers, total number of children. So I have taught you two methods. One, first subtract this number. Whatever answer you get, you subtract the number. You get these are the number of children. Second method, the first method. Second method is I have added the men and the women. I got the total number of men and women is 22,20,547. Total number of population is 37,04,926 is the total number of population. From this total number of population, these are the number of men and women. So I removed this men and women by subtracting. So when I removed this from this number, I got this answer. This is the total number of children. Any one method you can do. Remember, any one method. You should not do both the method. Whichever method finds easy for you, you have to do any one method. So these are the first two sums I solved. Third sum and fourth sum, you yourself try to solve it. I'll just give you the hint to solve the sums. See the third sum. A management of certain factory had 25,40,600 rupees in a welfare fund. That is total number. From this fund, 12,37,865 rupees were used for medical expenses. 8,42,317 rupees were spent for education of the workers' children. The remaining was put aside for a canteen. How much money was put aside for a canteen? So the simple way is, first add these two number, the medical expenses and the amount spent on the education. Add this, whatever answer you get, subtract from the total. So how you will do? Third sum, 12,37,865 for medical expenses. 8,42,317. This is for the education. So let us add this. 5 plus 7, 12, 1 carry, 6 plus 1, 7, plus 1, 8, 8 plus 3, 9, 10, 8, 9, 10, 11, 1 carry, 7, 8, 9, 10, then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 8, 9, 10 and 2. So these are the expenses for, this is the medical expenses plus education expenses. But a management has a fund of 25 lakh. 25 lakh 40,600 rupees. So these are the rupees. Here also you can write rupees. Now these are the total rupees which they have. From this they spent medical expenses and education expenses. This is the total amount, 20 lakh 80,182. So what are the remaining amount which they put for canteen? So let us, for this you have to subtract it. So 20, I'll write this number, 80, 182. This is for canteen amount. Subtract it. 0 minus 2 will not go. 0 minus 8 will not go. 6 minus 1, I will subtract 7. This will become 10. So 10 में 1 गया, so 9. This will also become 10. 0 minus 0 is 0. So 4 will not go in 8. 4. This will become 14. 10 minus 2, 8. 9 minus 8, 1. 7 minus 1, 6. 0, 6, 4, 0. So these are the total amount. 4,60,618. This amount were rupees were used for the canteen. See, I taught you the first method and the second method in the previous sum. This is the first method. Second method is take this number, subtract from this number. Whatever answer you get, subtract that answer with this number. You will get it. Or else this is the easy method. Now the fourth sum. For a 3-day cricket match, 13,608 tickets were sold on the first day, 8,955 on the second day. That means there are cricket matches for 3 days. In this first day, 13,608 tickets were sold. Second day, 8,955 were sold. But we want to find for a third day. We don't know how much tickets were sold in the third day. But the total for the first, second and the third day is 36,563 tickets. This is the total. So first what you have to do, add the first day sold and the second day sold. So add this number, whatever answer you get, you subtract that number from 36,563. So after subtracting, whatever answer you get, that is the sale for the third day. Now just see, I'll just first add this number plus 8955. I'll do a rough work. 8 plus 6, 8 plus 5, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 3, 1, 6, 5, 12. So these are the total collection for the first and the second day. Now total collection is for all the 3 days is 36, 5, 63. This is the total collection. This is only a rough work. You have to do the fair fourth sum. This is collection for the first day. This collection for the second day. So total collection for first and the second day is this amount. These are the total amount which they collected for all the 3 days. Total for 3 days. Now, how much they collected for first and second day? 22,563 rupees. 3 minus 3, you have to subtract it. 0, 0, 0. 6 minus 2, 4. How you got 0? 3 minus 3 is 0. 6 minus 6, 0. 5 minus 5, 0. 6 minus 2, 4. 3 minus 1, 4, 2, 1. So this 14,000 is a collection for third day. In this way, you have to solve the sums. This is the end of the problem set 3. I hope you enjoyed the video and you understood how to solve the sums. Thank you. Bye bye.